Hey guys, sorry for not posting for a while. Well, you could almost say not posting at all. It's been a while. Reason is, yeah, I'm fairly busy with, um, personal stuff, but um, getting ready for sort of like a Christmas camping trip. So Ash is bringing his on the Christmas camping trip. Dad's going to bring his uni mog. Daniel, I don't think you've seen much in the videos, but Daniel just brought this LJ62. So it's a 60 series wagon, GXL, petrol and auto. Reason being, he's a tight ass, and he can only drive automatics. Alright, so we got 6 weeks to get this registered on the road. It's actually, body wise, it's pretty straight. Paint is shit. Body wise, it's pretty straight. Small rust down sort of on the inside of that, but on the other side. Just a couple oil leaks. Windscreen chipped to the shit, and big crack. So pretty basic things with this. It's just sort of roadworthy items. This is good. Runs a little rough, blows a little bit of smoke, but it's been sitting for 3 years, so we're going to just give it a service, change out the plugs, and see how she goes. So that's that one. 6 weeks, just roadworthy stuff, get it on the road. Ashley is actually working away for 5 weeks. They asked him if he could relocate for 5 weeks because they didn't have anyone else to work at their other place. So pretty much I'm on my lonesome, just got to finish this off. I have been working on this, I just haven't filmed any of it at all. So I've just been doing wiring. So all the lights and shit work. The lights aren't on the back yet because I'm going to get all the lights on, zip tie them up, and then take it to work because I've got to weld the tabs and shit for the lights, and then we've got to make some mud guards because it's illegal, unfortunately. So all the lights are shit done. That's just a bunch of extra stuff that goes to the instrument cluster, which is a sort of problem with that when we were trying to figure out why the back lights don't work. It's because the circuit's actually fried. So you see that one right there? That's the power wire. It's the gold one. That's power wire for the lights. That's supposed to be covered like the rest of these. It's actually blown right there. So that's not going to work. So someone's obviously, hacked that up when they put the engine in. This is what I've been dealing with. This whole car was just a hacked ass wiring job, and I've had to do all of it again because they've fucked literally everything. Like shit, I don't know why they've touched. It's just fucking doing my head in like crazy. So I've been wiring away on this. It's pretty much done. Ash got a winch. So we weren't going to do the winch. We were going to do it later, but because the winch we got to make a bar for. But he's got his winch now, so we're going to make a bar for it. That's the light bar to go on the front bar. He's got his back light bar shit. These are the lights. So some nice little things. We're just going to sort of cut that off. We'll run one of them somewhere, but where they fit, it only really room for the indicator and brake. And they look pretty trick up there. I'll have to show you. I'm still got to finish off the washer bottle and overflow, but seriously, you can drive like that without it. It's fully drivable. It just needs the back lights done, and just a bunch of little stuff to make it legal, like the back window. Still haven't got that, and I've got to finish welding the tray because I still haven't welded these bits. We're not going to probably paint it before we go away because we won't really have time. I'm still super busy before we go, but I'm trying to get it done. That is his old left rear tyre. It keeps going down. So I was just sort of scrolling on Facebook and I found some dude selling some KM2s, the same as what he's got. Obviously without rims. Those are the spare rims I had for him, which are the same offset and everything as his other ones. So I mounted that up. He's got one more, it's sort of baldish, but I'm going to put the baldish one on as a spare. It's legal, but it's balder than that. It's just legal. Because that one goes down, so that's going to be spare, and then the bald one's going to be the spare, and then this one had slightly less tread than his other rear one, so it worked out really perfect. And it was $50 for the two of them, and I was like, well, fucking that's cheap as shit, so I just brought them for him. So now he has a tyre that won't go down. He has a spare tyre to fill his hole in. His tow bar is pretty much done, so I can be able to pull him out backwards when he gets stuck. Got the BRZ back because obviously Ash isn't driving it. Ash was driving us around while we were doing shit to his car, so that's just going to sit here for 5 weeks. Be all pretty and shit. Drift car, I haven't had time for it, honestly. Just don't have time for it at the moment. I haven't had time for it for a long time, it actually hurts me because this has been a seriously long going process that I just want done. So from the last video, I haven't touched it at all. Like, I still haven't taken the rotors and drilled the rotors to the new size. I did try and inquire about some rotors that will bolt up, but I didn't try too hard. No success. So, because I need to keep the park brake. Yeah, most people just run a stretchy cord on the hydro, but I'm just gonna keep the park brake. So the brake caliper, and then hydro caliper, and then park brake. So should be all good. Yeah, I still haven't done the crossovers. We're gonna remember we're gonna cross over because of the CV comes out sort of fucking here with that big ass diff we put in a while ago. So I've still got to do all of that. I've got a fucking fair bit of shit to do. I was hoping to do it over Christmas, but if we're going away for Christmas, then it's not going to happen, and it won't happen before Christmas because I got to get these full drives done so we can go away for Christmas. So yeah. I did buy another set of axles for this. Not axles that fit, just a standard set of axles. So I'm going to use the 86 side, obviously, to the hubs, and then the axles I got from the Sora, which is the diff. So these axles, I'm going to use the diff side of them. I'm going to cut them and weld them together with like a sleeve. Obviously that's not going to be my axles. This is just so I can get it rolling in the future. Work out a bunch of shit, get it driving, and then then send those off and get some good ones made to those exact specs that I know work, and then like that can be my spare axles or some shit. So that is the plan. I've been working on the shelving and shit, getting shit up out of the way. So it's actually, you can see the floor now. See, I've been quite busy. Not enough time to work on everything. But, got to get done. It's got to get done. So Saturday I'm busy, but Sunday we are doing this. So you should get a video at the end of this week. I don't know how interesting it's going to be, but... Well, it's going to be interesting, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. See if we fix it and shit. Alright, thanks guys, and yeah, see you when we work on this on the weekend.